Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a topic that's all about vibrant health and well-being. We're talking about the incredible world of vegetable juices and how they can supercharge your health. If you're ready to transform your lifestyle and boost your vitality, you're in the right place. Benefits of vegetable juices. Vegetable juices are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body craves. These juices are like liquid gold for your health. By drinking them regularly, you can enhance your immune system, promote healthy digestion, and even manage your weight more effectively. The science behind it. Let's break it down. Why are vegetable juices so potent? When we juice vegetables, we release all those incredible nutrients in a form that's easy for our bodies to absorb. The enzymes in fresh vegetable juices can support your overall health and even help fight inflammation. And trust me, your taste buds won't be disappointed. A rainbow of nutrient. One of the most amazing things about vegetable juices is the variety they offer. It's like sipping a rainbow of nutrients. Each color represents different nutrients, from the deep greens packed with chlorophyll to the vibrant reds loaded with antioxidants. Dear juicing. Now, you might be wondering, how can I get started? It's simple. We're going to show you how to create your own nutritious vegetable juice right here in your kitchen. Fresh ingredients, your favorite vegetables, and a good juicer, that's all you need. Tasting time. And now for the best part, tasting. We're trying some of the most delicious vegetable juice recipes. From the classic green juice to sweet and savory combinations, you won't believe how good these are for your taste buds and your health. So, there you have it, the wonderful world of vegetable juices. It's time to take charge of your health, one sip at a time. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health-boosting content. And remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned for more fantastic content.